Hey, how's it going? My name is Cameron McCluskey here at McCluskey Chevrolet in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm the recruiting coordinator, focused on just helping with all the onboarding and outreach to candidates in the Cincinnati area for jobs. We've been doing that, working on our job boards, setting up interviews, bringing them in, and everything works great with that. We work with AutoStaff 360 as a great boost to that effort. So I think, anyone that's interested in considering that as an option, we were blown away with the turnout as far as just on-site candidates, all here sharp and professional. Went through multiple rounds of interviews, so super invested in the idea of working here. So overall, just an incredible experience that couldn't, say more about the company and everyone there. So Tony's great. Matt's great. I know all the recruiters at AutoStaff are awesome to work with, so overall highly recommend working with the company. Thanks.